After creating your chart, the default position may not be ideal for your report or dashboard. You may need a tweak for a perfect data representation. How to resize and position your chart to fit your report layout and presentation needs is the main focus of this lesson. Moving a chart. You can move a chart anywhere on the current worksheet or even to a completely new worksheet. To drag and drop within the same worksheet, do the following. 1. Click on an empty area of the chart, e.g. the chart area, not on a specific element like a title or axis. 2. Point on the chart, and when your mouse pointer changes to a 4-headed arrow, click and drag the chart to your desired new location on the worksheet. 3. Release the mouse button when the chart is in place. Moving a chart to a new worksheet. For larger charts or dashboards and reports, it's often better to move a chart to its own dedicated chart sheet. To move chart to a new worksheet, do the following. 1. Select the chart. 2. On the Chart Design tab in the Location group, click Move Chart. The Chart Design tab appears whenever a chart is selected. 3. In the Move Chart dialog box, select New Sheet and give the sheet a descriptive name, e.g., Sales Chart. To move the chart to an existing worksheet, select Object In. From the drop-down list, select the appropriate destination worksheet. 4. Click OK to move the chart to the selected worksheet. Resizing a chart. Resizing allows you to make your chart larger or smaller to fit your report or dashboard layout. To use the sizing handles, do the following. 1. Click on the chart once to select it. Small circles, i.e. sizing handles, will appear at its corners and midpoints. 2. Hover your mouse pointer over any of these sizing handles. The pointer will change to a double-headed arrow. 3. Click and drag a handle as follows. Dragging a corner handle resizes the chart proportionally, maintaining the chart's aspect ratio. Dragging a side or top or bottom handle resizes the chart in only one dimension. 4. Release the mouse button when the chart is the desired size. Sizing and positioning your chart help keep your reports and dashboards presentable and appealing. You should practice this skill often to master its use as an expert Excel user.